What is DeFi? Should I invest in DeFi? The latest update. We're used to government controlling our finances and the economy and the money that we use to purchase products and services. However, DeFi provides unique ways of transacting. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a system by which financial products become available on a public decentralized blockchain network that makes them open to anyone to use rather than going through middlemen like banks or brokerages. Before we continue, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell notification button so that you get informed every time we make an upload. What is DeFi? The use of technology in finance services is not a new concept. Most transactions at banks or other financial institutions are accomplished with the use of technology. Companies still have to contend with navigating the legalese of jurisdictions, competing for financial markets, and different standards to make a transaction possible. DeFi places technology at the front and center of transactions in the financial service industry. DeFi is commonly placed in the domain of blockchain and cryptocurrencies, but its scope is much wider. To understand the thought process that led to the development of decentralized finance, it is important to understand the current state of the finance ecosystem. Modern finance infrastructure has been built on a hub-and-spoke model. Economic prosperity or hardship radiate outward from hub to spoke and towards the rest of the global economy. This mode of interdependency is repeated in the functioning of global financial services corporations. The components of DeFi are the same as those in the conventional financial system, which means that they are required stable currencies and a wide variety of use cases. DeFi components take the form of stable coins and services like crypto exchanges and lending services. Smart contracts provide the framework for the functioning of DeFi apps because they encode the terms and activities necessary for the functioning of these services. Let us take an example of a smart contract that has a specific code that establishes the exact terms and conditions of a loan between individuals. If important terms of the contract are not met, then the collateral will be liquidated. All this is conducted through a specific code as opposed to manually by a bank or any other financial situation. A DeFi stack is made of the following components. The settlement layer. The settlement layer is also referred to as layer 0 because it is the base layer upon which other DeFi transactions are built. It consists of a public blockchain and its native digital currency or cryptocurrency. Transactions occurring on DeFi apps are settled using this currency, which may or may not be traded in public markets. One example of the settlement layer is Ethereum and its native token Ether or ETH, which is traded at crypto exchanges. Number 2, the protocol layer. Software protocols are standards and rules written to govern specific tasks or activities. In parallel with real-world institutions, this would be a set of principles and rules that all participants in the given industry have agreed to follow as a prerequisite to operating in the industry. DeFi protocols are interoperable, meaning they can be used by multiple entities at the same time to build a service or an app. The protocol layer provides liquidity to the DeFi ecosystem. Application layer. As the name indicates, the application layer is where consumer-facing applications reside. These applications abstract underlying protocols into simple consumer-focused services. Most common applications in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, such as decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges and lending services, reside on this layer. Number 4. The aggregation layer consists of aggregators who connect various applications from the previous layer to provide a service to investors. For example, they might enable the seamless transfer of money between different financial instruments to maximize returns. In a physical setup, such trading actions would entail considerable paperwork and coordination. But a technology-based framework should smoothen the investing rails, allowing traders to switch between different services quickly. Lending and borrowing is an example of a service that exists on the aggregation layer. Banking services and crypto wallets are other examples. Should I invest in DeFi? A decision on whether you should invest in DeFi lies with you. This channel is for information purposes, and we give you information on what you need to know so that you can make informed decisions. Should I invest in DeFi? Well, DeFi empowers everyday investors to access new asset types, reduce their fees, improve their rates, and all around take more control over crafting their financial future. I would say that DeFi is a step in the right direction, hence it is a good idea to invest in it. Now you have the necessary information about DeFi and how important it is in modern financial systems. We will be uploading new videos that entertain, educate, and inform. All you have to do is hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell notification button so that you will be informed every time we make an upload.